Thozama gogo nomkhulu saluka sendoda lesugogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini amadoda Auntie Usha, your number one locksmith. Namhlanje sithi pain is temporary. Yes, we're talking pain. We're talking pain. Pain is temporary. Kungenzeka ukuthi you are going through the most. It's tough. Kunzima. We have such channels because of life is difficult. Kunzima. Kunzima. You know, we are towards the festive season in Southern Africa, and there are people already who are asking themselves, how will I go through festive season? Abantwana bami bazogqokani? People will be having Christmas lunches. My family is divided. I'm divorced. I don't know what to do. You are in pain. You are in pain right now. As the November started, actually around October, you could see even on the malls, the festive season decorations have started. And then it started to register in your ukuthi unyaka uphelile. It's the end of the year. You are in pain because you are asking yourself, ukuthi, what did I achieve this year in the year 2025? What do I have? What skill did I learn? What business did I start? What relationship did I maintain, or did I keep, or did I start? What behavior did I change? What attitude did I change? How did I better my life? What happened? What happened to my New Year's resolutions? There are many things that you're asking yourself this time of the year. And you are asking yourself, ukuthi, am I willing? Am I energetic? Am I looking forward for 2026? You still remember very well how forward you were looking, how energetic you were thinking about 2025, planning about this year, big dreams about this year, planning to better your health, to lose weight, to go back to school, to get a skill or something, to change your life, to be a better partner to your partner, to be a better parent, to show on, to be present, to be a present father, to be a present mother. You've promised yourself that. You've promised yourself ukuthi you are going to be a responsible father, a responsible parent, a responsible partner. You've promised yourself ukuthi you are going to do better. You are going to choose friends. Remember everything you've promised yourself that did not happen. And you are in pain. You are finding yourself still on the same space you were last year, year before last, that other year, 2020. You are not moving anywhere. You are trying your absolute level best to move forward, but impilo yakho imile. And you are in pain. You are not enjoying it. You are not thinking about it because of you enjoy the feeling, but that's the only feeling that you have. You are in pain. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. Coco, I've went everywhere and I've seen everyone. Coco, I've used stuff and everything. Coco, I can tell you, the better days of this year, I was on Muti. I was on my knees. I was doing something, Coco, but still, Coco, I still find myself on the same spot as I was a year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, even 5 years ago. Coco, what to do? You've promised yourself, Fukuti, this year you'll stop drinking alcohol. You just set to yourself, no matter what, this year I'm changing. I'm dropping alcohol. I'm dropping drugs. I'm, you know what? I'm changing my diet. I'm going to exercise. I'm going to at least read one book a year. I mean, in 3 months, you were so energetic. Things were starting to move, but eventually you find yourself still, even if not maybe on the same spot, but even worse, backwards. With these two candles, I would like to say to you, pain is temporary. Guys, pain is temporary. Trust me, guys, pain is temporary, like anything else. If you can introduce yourself in these candles, you're going to realize, Oguti, you are going through pain. No one is a resident to any situation. No one is a permanent resident to any situation. You might not have money where you are at this moment to go and see that healer, to go and get help. Fair, you might not have that money to go and seek for help. But I want to give you hope today. On the Monday morning, I want to give you hope. I want to grant you a hope because you deserve hope. Hope, that's something that I sometimes wish somebody can give it to me when I need it the most, not money. The hope I'm giving you today is that the pain that you are feeling at this moment, that toxic relationship you are in, that toxic business you are in, that toxic work environment you are in, that toxic partnership you are in, that toxic hustling that you are in, whatever situation you are faced with, I would like to say to you, do yourself a favor. Fuel your soul. Fuel your soul with these candles. If there's one thing that I would like to be remembered with, is these candles. These candles has helped many people than people I've seen. In my life, I didn't consult millions of people, but these candles has helped millions. Videos are my testimony regarding this. It's not something that I'm thumb sucking it. It's just being ambitious, thinking about it. No. These candles has helped millions of people across all races. Remember when we used to do Instagram online, if people remember, there was this Chinese lady who called, and she was one of the ladies who asked that we do the videos in English. That's how far these candles has worked. There's a lady that I'm helping. She's from Umlazi. She's a teacher in China. She introduced these candles to one of the colleagues in Japan. Sorry. He introduced these candles as one of the leads in Japan who was going through the most. We are in touch with those guys. I'll be visiting them next year, Easter's, in Japan, through these candles. I would like you to use these candles for you to bring hope into your life, especially as we are going to do our ancestral prayer, which is on the 22nd until the 28th of November 2025, the Financial Breakthrough Ancestral Prayer. Trust me, join us on that. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. These candles are the game changer. Read the comments on these videos that has a combo of yellow and blue candles. You will see for yourself what are people saying about it. It's, you know, the good things about YouTube is that it's not a website whereby you can fake your testimonials and do the motivation as part of the marketing. You can't. It's genuine people that are posting about how they really feel about whatever that is there. These are the candles that are going to bring hope into your life, are going to revive how you feel, are going to make sure you are realigned. If you want to realign your life, if you want to take back your life, to realign it, if you want to instill discipline into your life, if you want to change your life, if you want to make sure you become a better person, not next year, not as a New Year's resolution, from now. If you want to do a deep cleansing of your soul, and you want to have a better understanding of what does the pain means, it's up to you. It's really up to you. But I'm giving you this. I'm giving you this for free. I'm putting this on the table to say, here, take it. Take it. The pain you are feeling at this moment is temporary. It shall pass. My sister, my brother, mama, now baba, my daughter, my son, the pain that you are feeling, what you are going through, you will go through, you will pass it. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing. Even love ends when people passed on. They can love each other. That's why they say, till death do us apart. So as pain, you are going through that pain. Yes, it's hard. I know. I know. I'm also going through a pain. I'm also going through that. I'm also going through that. But what I've realized is that, you know, I use these candles every day. They are my fuel. I cannot do consultations without these candles. So whenever they are on, I'm talking to my ancestors. So I talk to them almost every day. You don't have to do that every day. You just have to dedicate that moment, as we are going to dedicate 7 days of our lives for financial prayer, because we cannot run away from the fact that finances are pillars, are main problems of our problems. We can't run away from that. We can't. So I'm giving you hope with these candles. I'm saying to you, the pain you are going through, somebody else went through it and they've made it. The pain you're going through, somebody else is going to go through it and they will make it. It's up to you to decide ukuthi, do you believe ukuthi you are going to go through that pain? Do you believe that now? It's up to you. That's a question I'm asking. Ukuthi wena Mselufu, do you believe? Because guys, we can give you all the equipment, everything, book, whatever, candles, whatever. However, if you don't believe, if you don't have faith in whatever that you are doing, starting from faith on you alone before you even use anything, then you still gonna stay on that village called pain for a bit longer. If you don't believe ukuthi you are going to go through that pain, you are passing, uyandlula. If you don't believe that part ukuthi uzondlula, if you don't believe in yourself ukuthi uzondlula, nothing, no muti, no stwalo, no snake, no amaboys, nothing will assist you. There are people who went to get whatever they got and they came back. The bottom line, what still bothers them is that they don't believe in themselves first. So it's difficult for them to believe in something else that is going to assist them. It all starts with us. If you don't believe in yourself, you'll make it. You'll make it. And you want Muti to believe in you while you are not believing in yourself. And you want to jump yourself and go and believe in candles or believing in Muti, you're wasting your time. You may as well enjoy your stay on the pain valley. It's okay. And allow us to pass through our pain and do not disturb us as we are going through our pain, because we are going through the most. It's not easy to go through a pain. It's not easy. It's not easy. I hear people say, oh, Gogo, I can see you're so strong. After the loss of your mom, you're still holding it up. I'm just keeping my face up because I want to go through the pain. The loss will always be there. That one, it's a total different pain. But whatever pain you are going through in life, guys, we are through. Because if ever we were not going through the pain, we were supposed to have, our dates were not supposed to be the same. We're not supposed to. We're not supposed to be the same. Because of, which means I'm still waiting. Hey, how are you? No, I'm still on that pain, man. Hey, no, this pain is taking long, man. I'm still waiting on that pain. Yeah, I don't know, man. Hey, lucky you guys, you're already in November. Wow, I'm still in June, man. I'm still in that cold. I'm still in that pain. I'm still stuck there. Yeah, man. Hey, man. No, it's fine, man. I'll let you know as well when my Christmas comes. That's what the situation was going to be. But it's totally different. But I'm giving you this equipment. Together, as I said, it goes hand in hand with your pain. Your belief system. If you believe, if you truly believe, ukuthi, you will go through that pain, then anything else that you are using is going to help you to refuel yourself and move forward. Today's video is to say pain is temporary. You are going through pain. Please join us on the 22nd to the 28th midnight 2025 as we'll be on our knees at 12 midnight for 7 days, talking to ancestors in different subjects every day. That will be announced in saying we need a financial breakthrough. We deserve a financial breakthrough. It's hard. It's hard. Our economy is going from better to worse and from worse to worse. Books are now available. Apologies, we ran out of stock, but we did print others. We just printed 5,000 copies because of the popular demand of the book. Apologies for the delay. Is this thing of just taking out of the box, not checking the stock, but the books are available. Thank you so much for everybody who have contributed um, in making sure ukuthi you better your life with the yellow and blue book. This book, it's a testament. It's a spiritual testament that will help generations to generations to come. Please get yourself this copy. We've made sure ukuthi the cover it's laminated so that it's protected, because it's meant to help generations and generations to come. Because this combo, as this video, this content is in this platform, it's for generations to generations to see this and to utilize it to better their lives. So as you are going through the pain you are going through, you need these. You need these. They are much cheaper than taking a taxi to Empangeni to look for Ugogo Bathini, or to Limpopo, or to Hammanskraal to look for Umkhulu Sono. It's far cheaper. Yes, if you can to go to Hammanskraal, you can. If you go get to Soweto, you can. But you need something that can help you immediately, and these are the tools that can assist you. The pain you are going through, it shall pass. Gogo, why are you so confident? I know. Because I'm also going through the most. And I believe and I can see what I'm going through. I'm going through. I'm not standing in one place. The pain I had last month and the pain I have now, it's better. By how many percent, Gogo? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Because if you start gauging your pain by percentage, you are going to put yourself under pressure. You are going to pretend as if you are fine while you are not fine. You are still stuck on the pain, but because you are doing it for somebody, because it starts to have percentages, because of now you are gauging your pain with somebody else's pain. Remember the former colleague of mine who lost the boyfriend, and then she started dating after that, and people were saying on Facebook, don't you think it's too early? Who said there's time frame when you lost the loved one, it must take you this much to fall in love again? Who said so? What if she was really healed and ready to move on? It's possible. There's no time frame. So even the pain you're going through, don't give yourself a time frame to say, no, by now. No. Pain, I always say, pain, it's like when you went to remove the tonsils. It's so painful, but that pain, it doesn't fade out. It stops. That's what my experience. To me, it was from severe pain to boom, no longer pain. That's how I perceive pain, in terms of how does it go through somebody or through me. It cuts. Sometimes other pains, they fade off, and then you say, I'm feeling much better. How are you? No, I'm better than yesterday. I'm getting there. People still ask me, Koko, how are you feeling? I'm getting there. Thank you so much. But somebody else will come with a total different approach that I'll just see myself crying. Not that they are starting me from the scratch, they are bringing on that pain. No, it's also a process. Ogote, I'm going through the pain. Yes, you still don't have a job. You still don't have an income. You're still not important in that family of yours. You are still being undermined as a man, as a head of the family, because of you don't have a source of income. You are still useless to him because of you're not working, you've gained weight, you whatever. You're still useless. Yes, you are not being taken cop to because of you're not working. Other siblings are working, so they are more important than you are. Yes, I understand that pain. I understand that pain. Which you are not as smart as your siblings at school, and your parents are more focusing on those ones or on that one that's an A student. And I understand that part. Yes, you don't have parents, you stay with your uncle or your aunt, you really feel as an outsider. Yes, I understand that part. But guess what? You're going through it. Uyadlula, wafita. I am wafita. You are going through it, uyadlula, and uzodlula, and you are going to make it. But you are not going to make it if you don't believe in yourself. It starts with you. It starts with you. Before you go and look for umuti and look for iskupu and look for what, do you believe in yourself? Do you believe what you can make it? What is your source of fuel of refueling yourself? What communication do you have? Do you know the language of your ancestors? Do you have a guideline? What are you reading regarding teaching yourself about Upatha, communicating with your ancestors? Are you equipped in that level? Are you a prayer warrior? Do you go to church? Do you know what scriptures in the Bible that you need to read that will fuel your soul, that will give you energy, that will give you strength, that will give you in itrach ukuthi uphile 11? Uyayicava into yini into ispanisayo wena as umjida ezokwenza ukuthi 11 wazi ukuthi ubelonga kuphi. You should belong somewhere. You cannot just stay in a vacuum and everything. If you don't believe in anything, do you believe in yourself? Okay. Believe, mangiti, you need to belong somewhere. I'm not just saying to ancestors or Bible or what. Even yourself, you are a source of refueling your own soul. You are. But we are living in a society whereby people, they don't even believe in themselves. Atumuntu mina ngikholelwa kwi-next. I don't pray. I don't do anything that has to do with ancestors. I'm just living my life. But still, you don't even believe in yourself. There are people who are just living. Whenever I'm in the graves, I always have this conversation with myself to say, I wonder how many of you sleeping here and we have done nothing with what you were born to do in this world. You have left with it. Other people, they are there and they have died not believing in themselves. And still, they are not even believing what they have died. Again, the books are back on stock. Please get your copy and get your candles. Join us. Please, guys, join us. Please, please, please. Because of the time constraints, you can also ask the office to send you the book over Postnet. I think it's around 120 via Postnet, counter to counter. And you can also arrange with them for door-to-door courier. Or you can actually send your courier to our offices. They will give you the address to collect your book and to bring it to you within 24 hours. That's even better. Candles are available in your nearest tech shop and the box of match. Please, please, please join us on the 22nd of November until the midnight of 28th November 2025, as we are invoking our ancestors on financial breakthrough. Tozan.